this gauze fabric I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby to make a receiving blanket. So what I did was I trimmed it down to be 30 inches by 30 inches, and then I pressed a seam so that as I go to crochet a border, then I have a nice straight line. What I like about the gauze is there's some like lines on it you can see that can help you keep straight lines. So I was able to have a straight line when I pressed because of that. Now I'm going to go through with a needle and thread and create a border that I can crochet onto. I'm using a thinner yarn, and I am just making an edge, and this gauze fabric is really easy to come through with a needle, which is nice. And I am just making sure that as I pull through, I also pull through the loop, which gives me a nice little string that I can crochet onto. So I'm just going to do this all the way around the border, trying to do it evenly. Looks like every quarter of an inch I'm doing a stitch and making sure that I pull through the loop so that I have a string that I can crochet onto. Okay, I've finished going around with the needle and the yarn and making the edging, and now I'm going to use a size 3.5mm crochet hook, and I'm going to do one row of single crochet around the edging. Some spaces were a little longer than I anticipated, and so I will do 2 or 3 stitches in a loop if I need to make up for some space, and around the corners I will do 3 or 4 single crochets to make a nice corner. So I finished this first row on one side, and I did 128 stitches, or single crochets, and so I'll try to make sure that as I go on all the sides, since it's a square shape, it's a 30 by 30 inch, then I will make sure I try to do 128 on every side. And here I am on the corner, and I'm going to do, I believe I'm going to try to do 5 on the corner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. We'll do 7. I think that makes a good corner. Now that I've done 7, I'm going to do this side and do 128 single crochets, 1 row, and I'll meet you when I have 1 row done all the way around the border of this receiving blanket. I just finished the single crochet border, and it looks really nice just like that, but I think I want to add a little something extra to it. So I'm going to chain 2, and I can't remember if it's called a shell stitch or fan stitch, but what I will do is yarn over, get ready to do a double crochet. I'm going to skip 2, and into this 3rd single crochet from the last round, I'm going to make 5 double crochets into the same stitch. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then I'm going to skip 2, and then the 3rd one, put a slip stitch. And then it's got this cute little decorative element to it that's a little more interesting than just the straight single crochet. So once again, I'll skip 2 stitches, and into the 3rd stitch I will put 5 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then skip 2 stitches and put a slip stitch in the 3rd stitch. So I'm just going to continue with this pattern all the way around, and that will finish off my receiving blanket. So here is the finished receiving blanket. I think it looks really cute. For the state fair, it said that the blanket needed to be lightweight, so I went with the gauze fabric that I got from clearance from Hobby Lobby. And then I just thought this gray was a really cute gray, and it kind of went with the blanket. And so yeah, I'm pleased how it worked out. Let me know in the comments below what are some of your favorite little crochet projects, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.